What is going on, everybody? This is Trader Josh, and I'm here today to give you guys the update you've been waiting for. Okay, so with that being said, this video is going to be about ticker symbol FFIE, also known as Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. Okay, for those of you who do not know, I went ahead and updated my about FFIE. Okay, so for those of you who do not know, Faraday Future is the pioneer of the ultimate tech luxury ultra spire market in the intelligent EV era and the disruptor of the traditional ultra luxury car civilization. Optimized by Ferrari and Maybach, FF is not just an EV company, but also a software driven intelligent internet company. Ultimately, FF aims to become a user company by offering a shared intelligent mobility ecosystem. Okay, so I just wanted to get that out there because in all my other videos of FFIE, I did kind of just told you guys about FFIE, and then I said it's just something I've been looking at, but now I actually put in what it is. It's an EV company, and supposedly it's their, luxury EVs. I have seen some, the interiors are nice, but I don't know. The outside of them is just something different. Okay. Pause if you want to read this. I did discuss it in my last video. Stock is now down almost 50%. I just don't want to waste time talking about stuff I already talked about. Okay, you guys. So pause to if you want to learn of their 3 phases to get vehicles out and be profitable. 3 phases to profitability. Okay, so this is just little insider information. No, there has been no insider selling within the last 12 months. Okay, so very good. Okay, interesting. This wasn't really nothing too, EV stocks have come back. Okay, yep. And then right here. Okay, so this is what it is today. The 52-week high and low are still the same. Open and close. Average volume. Now, we did see a pop. We did see a bit of a pop. And I told you guys it's going down to 18 cents, which it is going down, no matter what news they got. They're gonna do what they want to do. And what they want to do is a reverse split, you guys. Okay? They want to split it to make it the right price they would like so they can have these bigger institutional investors buy in for these big $1 million deals. But look, they're not going to buy these big $1 million deals if the company's a penny stock that's showing, okay, look, it's a penny stock. Yeah, we can make a quick buck, but is it a good investment? What if they reverse split? Okay, that's why no companies, buy in during things like this. But when they reach, $5, $10, these big companies buy $20, $50 million deals, $100 million deals, and pumps the price more. People see that institutions are buying. When an institution buys at a higher average, like say $7.50, let's just say middle of 5 and 10, it makes you feel more comfortable buying because now at least an institutional investor is at 750 average, right? They got $50 million in at this average. If it's lower, and they're not freaking out. If it's lower than their average and they're not freaking out, they're, calm and collective, it gives you a bit of urgency that, okay, maybe I have nothing to worry about. Maybe the company is still focusing on, but then when you see still focusing on their shareholders, best interests. But when you go ahead and you see, okay, well, now they're selling out. Why are they selling out? Okay, now they're just cutting their losses. Okay, that shows you that the company is no good. See, so this is what to watch for. After a reverse split, I think it could be a very smart investment. I think it'll reach Tesla price. I don't know, but I think that a lot can happen in a little bit of time, and we can see that. Ace, come here, boy. Come on, say hello, boy. Now I want you guys to say hello. Lay down, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I want you guys to introduce Catahoula Ace, all the way from the lands of Catahoula land. Okay, he's a good dog. He's the best dog, actually. And he just wanted to he wanted to be here today to say hello. Okay, so for those of you, damn man, look at that dog. That's a real deal right there, boy. Okay, so FF Stop. Okay, Faraday Future nabs $90 million in funding. According to a press release from the company, it has secured $90 million in new funding from current investor ATW Partners Funds and Sinyonin International. To go along with that, it also accelerated an existing $15 million commitment, making its total funds gained reach up to 105 million. Faraday Future says that this new funding will allow it to continue its development and manufacture of the FF91 electric vehicle. The company has been trying to release the FF91 for some time now, but has been running into troubles that have delayed its deliveries. A new batch of funding is good news for investors. Okay, so right here, basically, this is what I get out of it. Okay, out of everything that's going on, and of course, we'll have a little pop. I don't think it's enough of a play or enough of a pull or enough of anything to call this a play. And John, I did see you, John. You said FFIE to the moon. I don't know if that was a joke or what. It could be. But I'm pretty sure we have until October, and that's not long. Like, it's crazy to say that. It really is crazy to say that. We were just November is when I started my channel, or not December, I think November or December, one of them. But it's wild. Time flies. A new batch of funding is good news for investors in the EV company. While it's continued to struggle to release its FF91, this extra cash could give it the push it needs to do so. It also helps alleviate investors' fears that deliveries of EVs may never manifest. Okay, I don't know what fears it alleviates, but so let's look at the charts a little bit. That's just basically the last slide I did right there. That was just, why did it have any type of pop? And the crazy thing about it, so look, I was watching it the second that it did pull up, because I have alerts on my phone to let me know, okay, send me a notification when it reaches above 25 cents or below 20 cents. And then boom, I have them alerts. So when it goes down below, all right, now give me another alert. So I don't have to watch it all day. So it just sends me the alert on my phone. Like, okay, it's moving. Let me go ahead and look at it, because it ain't worth looking at if it's just moving. It ain't worth looking at all day if it's just going to move in the range of 1 to 2 cents. Like, that's a boring time, But one thing for sure I did tell you guys, and I'm not going to change my title. I'm not that type of guy, okay? It's not what I do. That's not who I am. And right here is where we were at when I did my video. I told you guys, I think we'll be pulling down to 18 cents, down to that range. Now, why did I say that? Well, because 18 cents was a level that we did touch multiple times last month, and really a lot of it, every time it touches, it tends to be support or something. It tends to always, the market reacts to that level, okay? And I'm not gonna lie, at 18 cents, I'll probably buy in a couple $100 worth. And also, I want to say, tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a short play. Okay, I'm gonna be doing shorts, so I'm gonna be short on everything I do tomorrow. It'll all be in the Discord. Join the link. Okay, I'm not gonna talk much about that. It's in the Discord. Okay, it's free. I'm Trader Josh. It's free. Okay, that's all I gotta say about that. Okay, but now, so I'm telling you guys 18 cents because I feel like it could look. It was nice to see it pull from 22 to 26 cents, basically a little bit over. But think about it. I feel like down here at this, let's go ahead and I gotta. All right, I'm gonna do something right here because I feel like anywhere where we tap down at this 18 cents, it's gonna be a really quick pull up. Okay, and just watch and see. I'm not saying I know everything, but we're gonna start into a downward trend very soon. Okay, we're already in a sideways trend. We're starting to have lower lows. We're starting to have lower highs. Okay, so we're moving downward. And if I could show you, as a matter of fact, I'll just go ahead and show you. My next video in a minute here is going to be on SCYX. If you see here, look, if you see right here, I got the tabs pulled up like Faraday Future, SCYX, SCYX. Okay, so look, check it out. Look at this trend. We're having higher lows, higher highs. Okay, I will talk about this one next. But even on the day trend, this chart is very beautiful. Okay, let me go right here. Look at this. This is on the day trend, and this is an upward trend. I did mark right here and right here to show, okay, this is our higher, this is our bottom, this is our higher low. So now what we want to see tomorrow is some more higher highs above. Oops. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. So what we want to see, yeah, okay. I'm not going to talk too much about this, but basically you see what I'm saying, okay, you guys. I will get more into that, or just subscribe and watch that video because it's going to be tonight, because in the morning at 6 o'clock, matter of fact, you see the time right here, 12:47. In the morning at 6 o'clock, I'll be making a short play, probably a couple hours, and my 100 should be, the 100 I put in should be at least something, 150, I would say. I'm going to already manifest it, tomorrow that $100 I put in is going to be easily 150. Okay? Easy. 175, maybe 200, 300, 400. Nah, but we'll get into that. Okay, but nah, basically I don't want to get too much into this. Okay, I don't think that Faraday has much going for it right now, no matter what type of announcements they make. Okay, they will be going down. It's obvious to tell, that any news of reverse split, shareholder meeting, and plus I did read, and I could take you guys to it. Okay, so let me just look up FFIE stock news. Boom. Okay, news. Go to news. Now look. It does say upon shareholders' approval, stockholder approval. Okay, so look. These commitments come from the company's secured and unsecured facilities. Commitments under the unsecured facility are subject to certain closing conditions. Okay? Certain closing conditions, including an effective registration statement, an effective form like a 6B, or like they're going to have to do something about this, and my computer's freezing out right now. And they're going to have stockholder approval. Okay, guys? So see, it's all under these certain commitments, certain closing conditions. Okay, so nothing is set in stone, nothing is said and done. It's nothing to be too happy about right now. And I feel like there was that little pop until that news came out of those certain conditions. Now we're pulling down. Okay, so we will continue that onto Thursday and Friday. And then we will see when we start our downward trend, we're going to look for a nice spot. Now I'm going to show you guys. We're going to keep listening. We're going to keep watching. And right when this downward trend starts, see, we don't buy in up here. We don't buy in right now. We don't, oh yeah, we learn, we watch and learn, and we pay attention. Now you guys wait. When this downward trend starts, and it will start, there's going to be a time when we tap a certain spot and say, buy, buy, buy. Okay? And that's how we make our money in this market. Okay, guys? That's how we make our money. But I'm going to tell you guys right now, you have to be very volatile if you want to make money. If you see this little pull up, don't say, oh, 28 cents, oh, 29, oh, 30 cents. No, 28 cents, 25 cents. Sell, sell, sell. Take what you have in, out. Leave the profits. Okay? Leave the profits because it is all profit. Take what you have out, put it in something else. Leave the profits. Because always, if you do that, the profits become profits of profits of profits of profits of profits. Okay? I have done some dumb things. Okay? I have took all my money, I have spent it, but I'm here to do it right. Okay? I'll tell you guys, I'm Trader Josh. I'm going to get more into this, in the coming days. We just talked about that. Okay, I don't want to get into it. Ain't nothing to talk about right now. I'll just let you guys know how we're going to play this. I'm going to let you guys know the play. So now we just sit back and watch this one. Next video, SCYX. Check it out. That's my play for tomorrow. That is going to turn into your play if you pay attention. And until then, you guys, Trader Josh over here with Catahoula Ace and the good Lord himself. Okay? I'll see you guys when I see you guys.